Welcome back to our channel where we provide valuable insights into the world of real estate. In today's video, we will be discussing the pros and cons of different property types such as single-family homes, condos and townhomes. By understanding the unique aspects of each, you will be better equipped to make an informed decision when it comes to your next home purchase. Let us begin with single-family houses, which are a popular choice for many home buyers. One of the significant advantages of owning a single-family house is the sense of ownership and freedom it provides. You have complete control over your property, allowing for customization and personalization to suit your preferences. Additionally, single-family homes often come with larger outdoor spaces such as gardens or yards, providing more privacy and opportunities for outdoor activities. However, single-family houses also come with certain drawbacks. Maintenance and upkeep can be more demanding, both in terms of time and expenses. As a homeowner, you are responsible for repairs, renovations, and landscaping. Moreover, houses typically require a larger upfront investment and may involve higher property taxes and insurance costs. Moving on to condos, they offer a different lifestyle and set of advantages. Condos are known for their convenience and amenities. Living in a condominium often means access to shared facilities such as pools, gyms, and common areas. Additionally, condos often come with built-in security features and maintenance services, relieving homeowner of some of the responsibilities associated with property maintenance. On the flip side, condo living may involve certain compromises. While amenities are attractive, they come with monthly homeowners association fees. These fees contribute to the upkeep of shared spaces but add to the overall cost of ownership. Condo also involve closer proximity to neighbors, potentially leading to less privacy compared to single-family standalone houses. Lastly, let us discuss townhouses, which offer a blend of house and condo living. Townhouses often provide more space and privacy than condos while requiring less maintenance than standalone houses. They often come with shared walls, but with separate entrances and sometimes even small yards or patios. Nevertheless, townhomes may have limitations when it comes to customization compared to the single-family homes. Additionally, similar to condos, townhomes may have HOA fees and rules that govern community living. It's important to understand and consider these factors before making a decision. In conclusion, choosing between single-family home, condos and townhomes depends on your lifestyle preferences, financial situation and personal priorities. Houses offer independence but require more maintenance. Condos provide convenience but come with additional fees. Townhouses strike a balance between the two. By evaluating these pros and cons, you can determine which property type aligns best with your needs. We hope this video has provided valuable insights into the pros and cons of houses, condos, and townhomes. If you found it helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more real estate contents. As always, feel free to leave any questions or comments below. Again, I am Suma Sridhar, real estate broker and the realtor in the Bay Area with the tradition of excellence and integrity. I love what I do and people love what I do. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.